My dear students of 10th standard, just now I was looking at your date sheet of board exams 2021. Yes, you all know they are starting from 5th of May. My dear friends, you roughly have 2 months, that is, roughly you have 60 days before your final exams. Let me remind you, you all know, I know that already you know that your maths has 24 chapters, your history civics has 17 chapters, chemistry 13, physics 11, bio 8, geography 17, physical education 8, English literature 20, Punjabi 10, and English grammar round about 15 chapters. My dear friends, in total you have 143 chapters and roughly you have 60 days, but if we assign 10 days or 12 days before the final exam for revision one more time, then roughly we have like 48 to 50 days. My dear friends, if you will divide 143 with those number of days, roughly you need to do 3 lessons per day. You can note down whatever chapters you want to cover. From all the subjects, from all the chapters, you can note down every day 3 chapters you must revise. And in this way, you won't be having any stress, any tension to cover the syllabus all of a sudden. So, I want to help you plan for the preparation of your final board exams. My dear friends, you can all revise, let me remind you one more time, 3 chapters per day. In this way, you can finish total 143 chapters within 50 days. And later on, the 10 days, you can revise one subject per day. And I'm sure easily you would be ready and you would be ready to face the exams no matter how tough they will be. But I'm sure that this time you won't be getting that tough exams because everybody knows, all the examiner, supervisor, everybody knows that this year you have faced the pandemic and you did not attend any regular schools, even though online studies were there and your syllabus were covered. But my dear friends, it's in your hand. I'm just helping you to plan. So don't think that you are just free from your pre-board and you can enjoy a little bit. But my dear friends, if you will do 3 chapters from today onwards, it will be easy for you to clear these board exams without any burden on your mind or without any stress. So, one more time, let me wish you all the best for your final exams. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.